She is sent to scout the rainforest for the military cause. The traders searching around the region with a fine comb. She finds a settlement. It is small. It is poorly equipped, but is still a point of interest. Keeping watch of the camp, she finds it to be populated by students, while her orders were to report that to the government immediately. She decides to investigate further, and over days she begins to understand what the settlement thinks, what they do, what they fight for. And after weeks, she decides to introduce herself to the group. Now she is part of the camp, working as another type of soldier. A revolutionary guerrilla fighter.